Alright guys, let's take a quick look here at Pyth once again on the channel. We haven't looked at Pyth for a while, so let's reevaluate where it's going. And yeah, so you can see here guys, since the 5th of August, basically it has maintained this trend line for the most part. Now it has had a little bit of a deviation here. There was a wick here. But yeah, we do have several touch points along this trend line, but now it has gotten kind of a bounce. And I don't think it's going to meet this trend line anytime soon unless we get something drastic that happens. But basically, we need to punch through about 44 cents here. Now, we are struggling with this a little bit, but I do believe this is coming soon. And, you know, Pyth has just been in this range for days. And, you know, when other cryptos are pumping, you know, it's a little bit frustrating to see Pyth just sitting at, you know, 41, 42 cents or so. But the time is coming, guys. The time for Pyth, I think, is really near. Now, if we take a look at some of the indicators, I do want to look at the RSI here and the stochastic. So looking at the daily, actually looks pretty good on both for the daily. Weekly, a little bit high on the Stoch RSI, so it is in, you know, the overbought territory. So yeah, I think that's not good. It does need to cool down a little bit there, but RSI wise, it's fine, guys. Let me just look at it 4 hour real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, guys. I think it's looking good on the RSI. So, you know, if you're looking to buy Pyth, pretty much it's in, you know, good buy territories when it comes to RSI and Stoch RSI, guys. It's just kind of in the middle, and yeah, that's what you want to see. You don't want to see it, you know, overbought or oversold, really. In this case, you know, overbought would be bad because you would expect the price to come down. So overbought would be better than, for example, being in the middle like, you know, Pyth is right now, but it's not bad to buy it right now. Not financial advice, though. Keep that in mind. So take a look at the tokenomics really here. On CoinGecko, you can see that there is 10 billion Pyth, and only about 36% of this is circulating right now, according to CoinGecko. And basically, its all-time high was up at $1.20. Now, keep in mind, that was 8 months ago, and this coin is only like 9 months old or 8 months old, so it doesn't have a lot of history to go off of. And being a direct competitor to Chainlink, you know, it has a chance to go really, really, really high, guys. Being a competitor to Chainlink, I mean, if it takes any market share from Chainlink, that'll be excellent. So if we look at Chainlink, for example, just to compare, let's just look at that real quick. And okay, they have 1 billion max supply, but you know, they're sitting up at $17.43. I mean, you know, so okay, Pyth does have, you know, 10 times more max supply, and it does have, you know, more circulating, but there's no reason Pyth, you know, can't get up to at least several dollars, guys, this bull run. Anyways, taking a look at Tokenomist, yeah, like it says, 36% is unlocked. Next upcoming event, it's going to be quite a bit dumped on the market, though, guys. That's like, ooh, that's almost the entire rest of what is left to circulate, basically. You know, so yeah, I mean, it's 2.13 billion Pyth, 58.62% of the circulating supply. That's quite a bit, but that is coming in about half a year, guys. So I don't think you need to really worry right now in the immediate, you know, short term. But 6 months down the road, yeah, we may have to worry about this a little bit. So anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is at 96.6. It did come down a little bit today and yesterday. Now, keep in mind, last weekend we did have this pullback, and then we had 5 straight days of green candles. So the close on Friday was at 98.892. So we are, well, 2,200 below that right now. So if you believe in CME gaps, guys, that, you know, probably will get filled. And I don't really believe in CME gaps, but they do tend to get filled about 90 or 95% of the time. So it is, you know, worth noting that probably on Monday or Tuesday, this gap will get filled, and we'll either continue or maybe we'll go back down. So we have to see. So the target of this, you know, bull flag here that I drew actually on the 4-hour time frame, let me put it so you can see it a little bit better, is 100,700 for the short term, and that's only a mere $5,000 away. And basically, guys, this target up here at 105,000 is from this giant bull flag, which we, you know, created over what, 6 months, 7 months, from February to October, middle October. So yeah, that breakout should take us up to at least $105,000. After that, we'll just kind of have to reevaluate everything. So anyways, yeah, that, you know, Bitcoin is looking good, I can say. All right, taking a look at the crypto market cap, the total. Basically, we're getting a little bit of a red candle today. Now, Bitcoin did go down to about 95 something, 96,000. And it kind of flushed out a lot of the people, guys, which are probably new. So don't be worried. We're going to have these, you know, red candles along the way, guys. So yeah, I mean, I think everything is fine. We're getting a little bit of a bounce from earlier today. I mean, we were down as low as 3.17 trillion. So we are pulling ourselves back up. We might not get a green candle today, but that doesn't matter too much, guys. So taking a look at the dominance, guys, Bitcoin, yeah, it's right under that trend line, guys. And let's see if it can close under 59.25. That would be excellent, guys. It looks like it would have tried to retest and got rejected, and that probably will signal more downside, guys. So yeah, I think this is excellent if it stays here, but we have to wait. We still have, you know, several more hours to go on this candle. Now, taking a look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, again, we're going to have a red candle today, just because Bitcoin, you know, went down. It kind of flushed out all of the other cryptos as well. The altcoin season index, guys, we have a 43 right now. Earlier today, I think we were at a 47 or something like this. So we were a little bit higher. But yeah, once I think we break this, you know, probably about 50 mark, I think we're going to go up quite quick to altcoin season, guys. So right before this, though, we were 39. That's because of Bitcoin. Again, I just have to say, you know, we kind of got to flush out today. And probably it was whales, you know, playing whale games, I believe. So anyways, don't fear. I do believe altcoin season is near. Now, fear and greed, we're down to an 80. I think that's better than yesterday because we were in an extreme greed, 94. So that's what I want to see. I want to see a little bit more downside here with this fear and greed index. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I do believe we will tick down a little bit just because of what happened today with Bitcoin. Taking a look at the FedWatch tools, guys. Basically, it hasn't changed over the weekend. Basically, it's 50-50, guys. We have less than a month to go, but we're still pretty far out, guys. There's lots of time to speculate, really. Now, crypto bubbles, we are seeing now green. A little while ago, it was pretty much all red. There was only a few big green bubbles like Sand and Mana and a few others. But yeah, you know, Bitcoin and crypto, other cryptos are starting to come back up. So looking better. Now, guys, if you want to stake your coins, you know, you can go to Coinondo, type in whatever coin you want, for example, Bitcoin, and you'll have a list like this. And you can choose the platform you want to use for your staking. Now, I don't recommend using long-term just because we're in a bull market and it can end very quickly, guys. So the price you want for the coin can come and you'll miss it. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.